Alright, so about a week or so ago, I was scrolling through Facebook. I saw a really interesting video of a guy who made a car muffler out of duct tape and cardboard. And it got me thinking, hopefully today, well tonight, we are going to make the world's first 3D printed muffler. Boom, explosions and stuff. I don't know how to do that yet. It stuck with me for a bit. Part of me thinks that it could possibly melt just because of the heat from all the engine and stuff, but part of me thinks that it could work. I'd like to think that this could actually, this is actually half promising. I've been procrastinating with this for a couple of weeks now, and I really just need to get in and do it. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. So yeah, enough messing around. I'm gonna go do that. Yeah, alright, relax, I'm getting there. Just had a shower. Chill.
That I've ever seen. Young killer with give him 2 lips like roses and clover, and tell him that his lonesome nights are over. Sandman, I'm so alone, don't have nobody to call my own. Please turn on your magic beam, Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream.
Trav, do you reckon these holes
Well, you got a few
will be
cobwebs in there.
important to clear out the holes?
No, you do this every time, fella.
Travis is climbing a ladder.
Go away! So annoying. Okay, we're done. We're done. Nobody cares. Actually looks pretty cool. Look at that. Yes, look. Yeah. Ow. Ow, gravel. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Okay.
Thanks for the help, fellas.
Oh, you didn't ask. Hold up. We're going from something that size. How's this going? That. Okay, yours power. You ready? You ready? I want to hear how quick this melts. Get it on! Get it on!
Yes. Finally. Would you, pretty please, be able to grab me a 13mm spanner, please? It's on. All right, Trav, you ready? Yeah. Give it a shot. That actually doesn't sound too bad.
It sounds better than just... I'm gonna die. Hold on.
Oh, I think it's starting to melt. Did you hear that? Shh.
I don't want the engine to shut up. Oh, we got away with not too much there. Oh, she didn't shut up. No.
It's hissing. Oh.
actually fall off?
I think it just melted.
It blew up.
It melted. So I think it's hanging halfway off.
You can hear it.
Pull over.
Oh.
Oh no! No! Look at it! No! She's no!
Oh, that's proper rooted.
Oh, what happens when Trevor's eye steal a John?
Oh, that's rooted. Weak game. Oh no! Look at that! It's liquid.
Alright.
Oh, it's really hot.
It is when you hold on to it for a while. Yeah. Look at it. Ready? Watch it squish. Squish
What
it.
happens when you get ice steel with a test up?
Oh no! Did it just blow straight through? It did, look! Oh no. Look at all that. It just blew the insides out the back. And then,
How good was the sound? Did you get the sound on footage?
yeah.
Or the as it came out?
Spat all over.
Probably. I just heard this chong and I just imagined the whole back of the car blown up.
That pretty much sums everything up, doesn't it? I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. It was so much fun in making it. Oh, it was so stupid. Well, there you are. So if you are curious and you do want to make a 3D printed muffler, it works for about 5 seconds at 6,100 RPM. Noted. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.